Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I wanted to go ahead and share with you my 3-week meal plan, which I'm gonna even probably stretch to be 4 weeks, just depending on what my husband's work ends up doing. Because he does eat our leftovers in his lunch every day, so we don't have a whole lot of leftover nights. But if he would happen to start staying home from work, I will definitely incorporate more leftover nights. So my meal plan goes from Tuesday to Tuesday, so that's why it kind of overlaps a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and start on Tuesday's meal plan. So we're going to be having a sausage and egg breakfast braid. It's kind of a new recipe. I'm adding some egg and cheese. I will try to film a video. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to or not, but that's what we're going to have here. Wednesday, I did make some meatballs, super easy. I had a big bag of meatballs. I just added a jar of spaghetti sauce, cooked them in the crock pot, and a whole bag will feed our family twice, plus a leftover meal for my husband. So that's what we're having, leftover meatball subs. Me and the kids don't put them in subs, but my husband uses hamburger or hot dog buns for his, and then we just top them with some mozzarella cheese. Thursday, I'm trying, a friend of mine has a lasagna recipe that's so yummy, so I'm going to try that. And then I bought a bag of salad that we're going to have. We're going to have it Thursday and Sunday. Friday, we're going to have turkey bacon ranch subs. My husband eats his on sub rolls, and I use flatbread. And then Saturday, we're going to have tacos and bean dip. I do have the bean dip recipe. I will link that down below in the description box. Sunday, I like to do quick, easy meals. Mainly, it was because of church. Now, I don't know exactly. Sunday might turn into a more relaxed type of day instead of a busy church day. But anyway, we're going to be having our leftover lasagna and some more salad. And then Monday, we're going to have tostadas and the leftover bean dip from Saturday. Now, I actually, I don't buy tostada shells because I am a couponer, so I have boxes of, they are shells, taco shells, and they come up with the soft shells, so I will be using the hard shells. I just break them in half, and we have like half tostadas and put them on a sheet pan and bake them in the oven. They're delicious. Maybe I'll do a video on that. It's a super cheap, easy way to use up taco shells when you buy those kits. So that is 1 week. And then for breakfast, we just do quick, easy things. And like I said, lunch, my kids kind of have, we do cottage cheese, and some type of fruit, and some veggie straws usually. Okay, so here is the next week. We're going to have meatloaf and corn, and then instant mashed potatoes. Wednesday, we will have broccoli and cheese soup in the crock pot. I do have a recipe video on that I can link down below. And then I have some rolls that are frozen. Thursday is chicken bacon ranch quesadillas. Friday, we were going to have a ladies' Bible study at my church, but I'm pretty sure that's going to get canceled. So I'll end up just making some type of like either pancakes or waffles with eggs and probably some bacon or sausage. So breakfast for dinner, and then the men at our church, we're going to have men's Bible study, but that's probably going to get canceled. So I do have a frozen pizza left from couponing that we'll probably go ahead and just put in the oven. And then that Sunday, we're going to have leftover broccoli and cheese soup and rolls. And then Monday, I'm doing air fryer burgers and probably French fries, and I'm not sure, we might do chips there. So that is week number 2. And then week number 3 is super easy, hot dogs and mac and cheese. My kids absolutely love that. Hot dogs I cook in the air fryer to make them a little extra tasty instead of just boiling them. Wednesday is a Mexican tater tot casserole. I have a video. I will link that down below. Thursday is turkey pot pie. I have a video on that. I actually cooked up a big turkey that I got for free with some points with couponing. So I actually had that already bagged up and shredded, that it makes super easy to go ahead and just put this turkey pot pie. It's like with a biscuit crust. It is so amazing. Friday is a cheesy sausage potato casserole, and the sausage is actually smoked sausage. You could also use hot dogs to make it a little bit cheaper if you have those. And then Saturday, I'm going to be making homemade pizza and chips. So it's going to be a homemade yeast crust. Then that Sunday is Easter. Sundays are busy for us with church. I'm not sure exactly what's going to be going on there. So I have a ham from Christmas that's already bagged up in a small bag. So we're going to have ham that's already pre-frozen or pre-cooked and it's frozen. Mashed potatoes that I have already frozen. Now they do have a different type of texture, but you can totally add like some sour cream or cream cheese to kind of, I don't know, bring it back to life a little bit. But I have some frozen mashed potatoes as well as some frozen stuffing balls. I made a huge pan of like 12 of them and we only used like half of them. So we're going to have the leftover stuffing balls, corn, and then I will probably make some homemade peanut butter eggs. And then on Monday, we're going to have some potato ham chowder. So I'm going to use leftover ham from Easter and throw that in the soup. The recipe calls for like a ham steak and you can cube it up. But I'm just going to improvise and use what I have. That is a really yummy soup. I have that recipe video also that I will try to link down below. And then I also have some frozen rolls. So that is my meal plan for the next 3 weeks. We'll probably end up having another night after that will be the leftover soup because I do make a pretty big pot of that. So that is it, guys, for my menu, and I hope that maybe gave you some ideas of some budget-friendly meals to do and to try to just use what you have, maybe some things that you already have in your stockpile.